Autonomous driving isn't the future. It's here. With MOIA, you can effortlessly operate driverless fleets, enabled by an integrated solution that's ready to hit the road today. From ride pooling to ride hailing, we equip you with everything you need to launch and scale your autonomous mobility service, all powered by our Turnkey Solution. It combines our purpose-built driverless vehicle, our autonomous driving mobility-as-a-service ecosystem platform, and supporting services for seamless fleet management. The autonomous ID bus is undergoing rigorous tests, on track for full EU certification, and built to perform safely in all conditions. Safety is the purpose that drives us, because every ride should protect what matters: you, your passengers, and everyone on the road. Equipped with a self-driving system and a multi-sensor setup with built-in sensor protection, the autonomous vehicle continuously monitors its surroundings and makes driving decisions in real time. Our GeoNet management proactively identifies and avoids challenging areas beyond the autonomous driving system's operational scope, guiding the vehicle along the safest route. Redundant systems in steering and braking are engineered for maximum reliability. Inside the purposefully designed cabin, your passengers experience a comfortable, driverless ride. The autonomous ID bus unlocks its full potential when paired with the AD-MOS ecosystem platform, the core of your operations, optimizing fleet performance and elevating the passenger experience. Our passenger management takes over traditional driver tasks like handling ride requests, supervising the cabin activity with AI, and running automated drive-ready checks, all while giving fleet operators control when human interaction is desired. Let your team manage operations while being fully compliant and keeping a strong focus on safety. Deep vehicle integration enables real-time remote support, while automated incident handling for vehicles and passengers ensures smooth, cost-effective performance with minimal downtime. Choose the setup that works best for you. Integrate autonomous driving into your existing service by connecting your own app and backend to ours. Or use your own app and run your service on our all-in-one platform, which has algorithms for routing, dispatching, and fleet optimization, plus all mobility tools. Want to move faster? Launch with our proven passenger app, designed for a user-friendly experience and including built-in accessibility and feedback features. It's available as a white label solution, so customize it to fit your brand. Easily configure a broad variety of parameters, such as service area and pricing, based on demand and supply predictions. Simulate and optimize service adjustments before they go live, and make risk-free, informed changes. From launch to daily operations, we'll support you with our expertise in mobility software and services, and a proven track record in autonomous operations. Through our tailored consulting, training, and after-sales service, backed by trusted partners and global spare parts logistics, we enable you to set up and run your autonomous mobility service safely and efficiently. Let's unlock the potential of autonomous driving together.